Hello my LP Nation, first I wanted to thank you for 40 subs in only 17 days since publishing the first video. This is awesome, this is above my all expectations. It really means a lot. Thank you very much. Now let's get straight to our next Freelance 101 video series. It's about simple stuff as adding your profile skills, and next one important element, and that's making a great bid on the project, especially for a beginner. So good news for the beginners is that you don't have to overcomplicate things. I will post my real initial bid from 2016, which I used to land my first jobs. So this is not something that's coming out of my head like an inspiration or something. This is real deal. This is something I used to use in 2016, and later in next videos you will also see how my bid evolved. So you cannot use the same bid you used like as a beginner, then as an intermediate, and then as an expert. You have to adjust your bid to your experience, your portfolio, and of course your clients, because you are not going to work for the same clients in year 1 and in year 5, for example. So let's dig into it. So it will lead you to this site. This is your main profile page. So scroll down and you'll see that I have skills here. You probably don't have your main skills. So my main skills are video services, animation, After Effects, video production, videography, etc., etc. as you go down. So you can add your skills. This is very important because by adding your skills you can filter out the projects you will bid on. So go to edit profile in the left part of your screen. Now that you click that, go below and push this skills plus skills button. Here choose the category you're competing in. Let's say choose the category or the group of skills you want to work on. So if you're a writer, go to writing content. If you're in data entry and admin, go to data entry. I'm, for example, design media architecture. I will go to design media architecture. I choose even ones that are not directly linked to my work. So if you're a writer, you might click like script writing, even though script writing can be, for example, in another category. It might not be, but I'm giving you an example. So choose your favorite skills. When you choose your favorite or top skills, you don't have to exaggerate for the time being. You can really choose like 5 of your top skills. I chose this many because I learned which skills are like going in circle and which skills are best for me. So when you're done with that, you will add them and you will click view profile. You will check and see if the skills are here. If they are, you will go to step 2. And step 2 is going to browse projects, loading little circle. Okay, here I don't like to bid on hourly project because I don't want to mess with proving my clients how much hours I worked. If you wish, you can do that, but I like to bid at least on Freelancer on fixed projects. Go to fixed projects. Here you will see your skills. Here the projects have to be chosen, not contests, because I will explain contests in my next video. This is quite alright, English. Okay, and here you will type the main word of your like main skill. If your main skill is like animation, video editing or video, you will type video. Okay, so here I will just choose one. So when you find your project, you can click on it. Let's say I will bid on it. So place a bid on this project. This category is the most important one. You will enter the amount. I will enter 250, the maximum. So paid to you, you will see that the fee is 10%. So if the project amount is $250, you will get $250 minus the fee. So you'll get to 25. Okay, here you will enter a number of days you need to finish the project. Let's say I need like 4 days. You always bid more. If you need 2 days, bid 3 or 4. Here you will enter your bid in this category. You can use the template I will link below, down below the video. I will use my own big template. I have it here. You will see the most important parts of the bid are introducing yourself shortly, your skills, your credentials, and linking up the portfolio. I link up my website with my work, but you will, for starters, link, for example, your G drive that contains your graphics, your scripts. I don't know what you do, but you will have to create a portfolio. It can be really small for starters. It can be 2 and 3 objects, for example 3 logos or something. You can upload it to G drive, it's free. You can upload it to YouTube if you have videos, it's free. You can upload it to Dropbox, it's free, etc. You know, a lot of hosting services. Of course, in one of my videos, maybe even in next one, I will show you how to create an efficient portfolio for clients to be impressed, even though you're a new fresh freelancer. But for now, I will link up the bid below so you can copy my bid template for beginners, that said. Somebody also, I have to give you a disclaimer. Someone will say that copying the same bid is bad, and I agree. If your bid sounds robotic, then it's bad. But if you have any wits, you can make an automatic bid that like stands out. I do it all the time, and people like respond to my bids, to most of my bids. So even though I copy paste it, because it's very, very personal, I know what my clients want and how to like make a good hook, so they respond to me. And you have to respond very quickly. When a client writes a message into your inbox, respond immediately. The sooner you respond, there's a greater chance you'll get the job. So that's a free tip. But also, we're beginners. This is Freelance 101. So let's not rush. Let's concentrate on this now. So when you have pasted the bid, you will just choose place bid. Bam, that's it. And here you can see your bid, the amount, days, and you can compare yourself with your competition and their bids. Also, you can read what other people write, so you can read them. See other people's bids. See other people's bids and compare yourself. You can so tweak your bid to comparing to yourself to competition. So compare yourself to your competition. Adjust your bid to theirs. See their portfolios. Learn from them. That's the best tip I can give you. Learn from your competition. See someone who has like 300 jobs like this guy. Okay, click on him. See his portfolio. Compare yourself to him. See good things about him or her and learn from that. That's the most important tip you will get for this video. So when you place a bid, you can like spy on your competition. That's a secret ninja advice. So yep, that's it for now, because I don't want to overburden you with every video. We have like 365 videos in 365 days. That means you have 52 Freelance 101 videos in total. That means like there's a lot to cover, and I don't want to overburden you with the length of the videos and the amount of information in each video. So thank you for listening. Don't forget to download the bid template below. This is my 2016 template. It's not a new one because I want to adjust my info in Freelance 101 to beginners. This is for beginners who haven't even started freelancing, or the ones that have new profiles. If you have any questions, please type them in the comment, or if you have an idea for the next episode. You were in another episode of Online Skills That Pay the Bills. Thank you, my LP Nation. As always, it was your guy, LP. 'Cause I'm not sure.